If you are planning to study MBA from top business schools, then understanding how to prepare for GMAT is extremely important. The GMAT examination is one of the most recognized entrance exams for MBA admissions in India and abroad. Students targeting top institutes like ISB, IIMs, and international universities should create a proper GMAT preparation strategy from the beginning. A smart GMAT preparation plan can improve your GMAT score and increase your chances of admission into leading business schools. The first step in GMAT preparation should always be taking a diagnostic GMAT mock test. A diagnostic GMAT test helps students understand their current level before starting actual GMAT preparation. This GMAT strategy allows aspirants to identify strengths and weaknesses in quantitative reasoning, verbal reasoning, and data insights. Many students directly start GMAT preparation without analyzing their current GMAT level, which often leads to confusion later during GMAT practice. The most important factor in GMAT preparation is consistency. Students preparing for GMAT while working full-time should dedicate at least 2-3 hours daily for GMAT study and more time during weekends for GMAT practice tests. Consistent GMAT preparation is more effective than studying randomly for long hours. During GMAT preparation, students should select trusted GMAT study material like the GMAT official guide and authentic GMAT online resources. Good GMAT material improves concept clarity and helps students understand the latest GMAT Focus Edition pattern. The quantitative reasoning section in GMAT requires strong logical thinking and mathematical understanding. Students preparing for GMAT should focus on arithmetic, algebra, percentages, ratios, and word problems. Instead of memorizing shortcuts for GMAT Quant, students should understand concepts deeply because the GMAT exam tests analytical ability more than direct formulas. Daily GMAT Quant practice is necessary for improving accuracy and speed in the actual GMAT examination. The verbal reasoning section of GMAT checks reading ability, comprehension, and logical reasoning. To improve GMAT verbal scores, students should read articles, editorials, and business content regularly. Critical reasoning and reading comprehension are very important parts of GMAT verbal preparation. Regular GMAT reading practice improves understanding speed and helps students solve difficult GMAT questions more efficiently during the examination. The new Data Insights section in GMAT Focus Edition is highly important for modern GMAT preparation. This GMAT section includes graphs, tables, data interpretation, and case study-based questions. Students preparing for GMAT should practice analyzing tables and data quickly because time management is very important in GMAT Data Insights. Frequent GMAT mock tests can help students improve decision-making skills under pressure. Another major point in GMAT preparation is maintaining an error log. After every GMAT mock test, students should analyze every mistake carefully. This GMAT error analysis method helps aspirants avoid repeating similar mistakes in future GMAT practice sessions. Apart from a strong GMAT score, students should also focus on profile building, work experience, extracurricular activities, essays, and letters of recommendation because top MBA colleges consider the complete profile along with GMAT performance. In conclusion, GMAT preparation requires discipline, consistency, smart strategy, regular GMAT mock tests, and continuous self-analysis. With the right GMAT preparation approach, students can achieve excellent GMAT scores and secure admission into top MBA programs worldwide.